Is your strategic plan gathering dust in Excel files and workbooks? This is Planivore, a collaborative dashboard tool to track your strategic plans and also your action plans, which help operationalize those strategies. You can follow a wide range of indicators and, above all, collaborate with your teams. Planivore lets you manage action plans and link them to your strategies, or simply manage them separately. The platform can handle multiple strategic plans, such as a sustainable development plan, for example, as well as several action plans in parallel. Some views even let you see all your dashboards and indicators at a glance in one place. Planivore adapts to the structure of your strategic plan so you can enter key information such as your mission, vision, values, the number of levels in your plan, the terminology specific to your organization, the period covered, the title, and the frequency at which you want to enter data. Once your strategic plan is set up in Planivore, you can track the progress of your indicators, their status, whether they are to watch, problematic, or progressing faster than expected, and their level of priority. You can also add several custom indicators like this one, and they will all appear in a cockpit-style view where you can monitor all your indicators. For each element of your strategic plan, you will have a detailed record including basic information, related actions, your core indicators, your custom indicators, the stakeholders involved, such as those to whom you must report for governance. You will also have historical charts for the different indicators you track. You can add notes or summary notes that you want to see in your reports, and attach documents or simply link files. Each of the linked action records is also detailed here, and you can add budgets, start and end dates, and see what it is connected to in your strategic plan. In addition, for actions, you can add tasks that your team will track together. Planivore includes several list views that help you find specific items very quickly. For example, this action list can be filtered by core indicator, such as status, progress, or priority, but also by collaborator, by plan, or even by governance. Planivore includes multiple reports to track your strategic plans and also your action plans. The reports can be shared externally. They can be archived so you keep the data as it was on the date the report was created, or they can be exported to PDF. Each report is customizable, and you have views that are more detailed or more compact. For action plans, for example, you can see them in a list like this and choose the columns you want, or you can see them in a Gantt view to follow progress by month or by quarter. A public view lets you share the progress of your strategic plan with everyone. You can choose what you want to display and simply add the link to your website. The Planivore Administrator dashboard lets you manage your tools independently. You can manage your users and access roles, as well as many other settings that allow you to tailor Planivore to your strategic plan and your action plans. Thousands of users already use Planivore. Visit our website at planivore.app and start your free trial today.